guys, hi, good afternoon. Today I will explain to you again a few phrases of German language. Okay, all right. So why? Because German language again is high in demand in India market. If you want to settle down yourselves to German, if you want to settle down yourselves to Pune, that could be IT sector. So you have to have a good skill. So if you want to join any company as a translator, German translator, the salary is very good. How to enroll yourself in German language? Really want to learn German, so I'm sure this video will help you out. Okay, all right. So because in the last module I conveyed to you like how to present yourself in German language. Okay, so over here I will explain to you, like if you're asking some people name, like what is your name, so we have a lot of phrases wherein you can use what is your name in German language. So my first phrase is what is your name. So basically what is your name is wie heißen Sie. Speak up. Wie heißen Sie. Wie heißen Sie. So wie heißen Sie is what is your name. My next phrase is wie ist Ihr Name. Wie ist Ihr Name. Wie ist Ihr Name is again what is your name. So we have a lot of terms. Wie ist Ihr Name. Wie ist Ihr Name is what is your name. So my next phrase is wie heißt du. Wie heißt du. Wie heißt du. Basically my du is your informal. So wie heißen Sie, if I'm saying wie heißen Sie, that is a formal conjugation. If you're asking like what is your name in terms of a formal conversation, so you will see wie heißen Sie. If you're using an informal conversation, then you will use wie heißt du. Wie heißt du is what is your name in terms of informal conjugation. Then we have an informal conjugation, but we have a plural, okay, which is wie heißt ihr. Wie heißt ihr. So basically wie heißt ihr is again what is your name, but then we have, if I'm asking like guys what is your name in terms of informal, so I will use wie heißt ihr. Wie heißt ihr. That is, I would say, what is your name. We have next phrase is wie ist dein Name. Wie ist dein Name. Wie ist dein Name is what is your name again. So we have a lot of things. We have like 4 tips wherein you can use this things, right? We have a lot of things like you can use. Okay.